To begin, open Settings on your handset. Then go to About Phone. Swipe up to go down. And find Factory Reset. Tap on it. At the bottom you will see Erase All Data. Tap on it. You can back up important items before performing a factory reset, or you can proceed directly with the factory reset process. Factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Tap on Next. All the data on this device will be erased during the reset, and you won't be able to restore the items you haven't backed up. Tap on OK. The reset process will start immediately. It will take up to 4 minutes. The handset will restart, and now you need to set up your handset. Tap on the arrow button to proceed. You can change the language, and change the font size if you want. After that, tap on Next. You can choose your desired region by swiping down the list. Or you can search in the search bar. Then tap on Next. Now read and accept Xiaomi's terms and conditions. And then tap Next. You can connect to any Wi-Fi network now. If you want to do this later, tap on Skip. Tap on More to view all Google services. And then tap Accept. Choose your preferred security method such as screen lock, fingerprint, or face unlock. If you choose to do this later, tap on Skip. Enable or disable basic settings according to your preference. Then tap on Next. From here you can change the font settings, and then tap Next. You can change the default launcher, and then tap Next. It will take some time to prepare the system. The setup has been complete. Tap on the arrow button to finish the setup process. Your phone is now ready to use. So in this way, you can perform a factory reset on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro.